When the Fair Labor Standards Act was passed in 1938, it required every employer to pay minimum wage to each employee, quote, engaged in commerce or in the production of goods for commerce, unquote. The act originally didn't apply to the United States or any state or political subdivision of a state. Maryland v. Wirtz concerns what happened when Congress amended the act to cover a wider range of employers. In 1961, Congress modified the Fair Labor Standards Act to cover all employees of any enterprise engaged in commerce or production for commerce, as long as the enterprise fell within certain listed categories. This was known as the enterprise concept. In 1966, Congress expanded the list of covered enterprises to include hospitals, schools, and institutions. It also removed the exemption for states and their political subdivisions with respect to employees employed by these covered enterprises. Maryland, along with 27 other states and one school district, sued Secretary of Labor Willard Wirtz. They argued that expanding the scope of the act through the enterprise concept violated the Commerce Clause. They also argued that applying the act to state-operated hospitals and schools was beyond Congress's commerce power and interfered with state sovereignty. The district court disagreed that the amendments to the act exceeded Congress's commerce power and declined to issue an injunction against enforcement of the act. Maryland appealed to the United States Supreme Court.